Are you joining a ship soon and wondering what all you need to carry? Worried about missing out on something important while packing? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's the ultimate personal items checklist every seafarer should go through before heading on board. First up, clothing, comfort, and utility are key. Here's what you need. To jeans, for t-shirts, to shirts, to black formal pants, to uniform shirts. 7 briefs, 7 vests, 3 boxes, 5 handkerchiefs, 7 pairs of socks. To boiler suits, 1 pair of long johns. 1 quality jacket, preferably waterproof. 1 sweater, monkey cap. For set of night dress of your choice, 1 black tie. Epaulettes. Now let's talk about footwear and accessories you'll need. Formal shoes, casual shoes, sandals, bathroom slippers, formal and casual belts. 2 wristwatches, 1 as backup. Sunglasses, preferably polarized. Reading glasses if needed. 2 pairs of eyeglasses spare is must. Safety shoes. Your grooming kit should include bath towel, regular and dandruff shampoo, body wash, antifungal cream, 2 combs, moisturizer, antifungal powder, shoe polish, razor plus 3 cartridges, deodorant, 3 toothbrushes to toothpaste tubes, hair oil, talcum powder, lip balm, sunscreen, face masks, ear cleaning buds, hair trimmer, nail clipper, small tissue pouch, hand sanitizer, wet tissue, dental floss. Can't survive without gadgets, neither can we on board. Laptop plus charger, travel adapter, main plus spare mobile phones plus chargers, Bluetooth earphones, wired earphones, earbuds, external hard disk USB drive, portable Bluetooth speaker. Long voyages need good company, and nothing beats good entertainment. Movies and songs downloaded, a few magazines, novels, or any book of your choice. Small things, big help. Flashlight, black, blue pen, and a notebook. 3 small locks with keys or TSA-approved locks. Now the most crucial part. Documents. Never leave without these. Passport, CDC, training record book, company and government ID cards, certificate file STCW, COC, etc. Flag state COC/CDC on arrival letter, yellow fever certificate, emergency contact sheet, air ticket. Take care of your health on board. Any prescribed medicines plus doctor's note. Some financial essentials you should carry. Wallet, international ATM card, minimum 50 United States dollars emergency cash. Miss Home Food, bring some comfort snacks. Biscuits, chocolates, snacks, sweets, pickles. Before you leave for the airport, just do this final check. All items packed as per list. Travel documents verified. Electronics and chargers double-checked. Emergency contact list confirmed. Luggage locked. Check weather at your destination and transit points so you can dress appropriately. And that's your complete checklist before joining your ship. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow seafarers, and subscribe for more tips and onboard life hacks. Stay safe, sail smooth, and see you in the next video.